Greetings, it is Dynaman here. I am doing another update video on my Threadripper build. I've just got some really cool things for my PC and it involves RGB. Now, as you know, most cases come with stock fans which don't have any LEDs or any fancy lighting on them. So rather than spend £35 on one fan, to get RGB, I thought I'd get these. I'll show you what they are now. Yeah, they are the Halos RGB fan frame. These actually go on the outside of the fans and they make them RGB, which is cool. Even black fans can be made in RGB with these. They're the Fantech ones. And I'm going to open the box and I'll show you what's inside. They're all shrink wrapped up, so bear with. To go for the 120s to start with, to go onto my cooler. See, it even says this is the frame. This is the frame. It's actually made of aluminium, not cheap plastic. It's aluminium. I don't think you can see it, but it does say Fantech on the side, but it's not very well. Underneath, there are RGB lightings. That strip underneath the RGBs. I'm going to mount these to my fans to make them into RGB. So, there you go. That's my review of the Fantech RGB Halo lights. That's your extension cable there as well. You can see there, if you look, these are the screws that go in the actual fans to hold them on. So, there you go. I'm very pleased with them. I've got 3 of them. Other 2 there, because I've got 3 on the top. I've also ordered a 140mm one as well, so that'll be coming soon. It's Dynaman. Oh yeah. Hopefully, I love them. Looking cool. Looking cool. You can see they're installed on the fan on the roof. Brilliant. Love it, love it, love it. The 140mm fan at the back done, then that'll be then finished. You can see they're installed on the fan on the roof. Brilliant. Love it, love it, love it. The 140mm fan at the back done, then that'll be then finished.